How to log into Instagram on your phone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. You accidentally got logged out of your Instagram account or you want to log into your Instagram account in the new device but you have no idea how to log into it, then make sure to watch this video till the end. Firstly, you will need to download Instagram app in your device. You can get this app easily from Play Store or App Store. After that, open your Instagram app. This kind of page will appear. Now you have to type in credentials associated with your Instagram account. Type in the username, email or mobile number and password. Here I'm gonna type in username. Now type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option of forget password to recover your Instagram account's password. After you enter your username and password associated with your Instagram account, you can tap on this option of login. And now you are good to go. You can see that I just got logged into my Instagram account on my phone. So this is how you can easily log into your Instagram account on your phone. This was all for this video. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.